little anxiety there, but
You got a cool shirt.
what?
You got a cool shirt.
Thank you.
Ms. Hanu, timing wise, we're all good for today to proceed
Okay.
as it is.
Yes, Your Honor.
Excuse me, I put my hearing aid in.
Okay, you do that. And if you need me to speak up, let me know. If you need me to turn up the system, let me know.
It's just my hairs.
So who's here with you?
That's my mother and my aunt.
Very good to have their support.
Here we go.
Anybody was curious, records prior to 1999 are stored in the basement of the Hennepin County Courthouse.
What?
I went to Hennepin County to dig through records.
Did you find anything?
No.
Nothing? But you tried hard. That's good. That's the problem with having things old, but now with everything in technology, we'll have records forever. Unless they let us purge them and delete them from a system.
Well, Washburn County's been down for about a week.
They're still down.
Yeah, they're going to be down for at least another week.
Everything?
So the DA's office runs off the state system. So they're all running off hotspots right now. So there's no phones, there's no Wi-Fi.
Wowza. All right, we will go on the record in the matter 25 CF 159, 25 TR 956 and 957, State of Wisconsin versus Eric Gustafson. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Mr. Gustafson appears in person with his counsel, Emma Hanu. We're set today in this matter for a plea and sentencing. The parties have reached an agreement. Ms. Hanu, can you please recite the agreement for the record?
Yes, Your Honor, the agreement would be for Mr. Gustafson to plead to count 1, operating while intoxicated, a 5th or 6th offense. The remaining counts would be dismissed and read in. There are additionally 2 traffic matters that would also be dismissed and read in. That would be 25 TR 956 and 957.
All right. And Mr. Gustafson, that is the agreement that you've reached with the state?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that pleading guilty to an OWI 5 or 6 means that it's an immediate report to jail and that it's a mandatory minimum prison sentence. And that would be, as of me taking your plea, you're going to go and be incarcerated.
I understand.
Okay. All right. So I do have in front of me the plea questionnaire waiver of rights form. Do you recognize the document?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this the document your attorney went over with you?
Yes,
Did she go over it thoroughly with you? That is essentially word for word?
yes,
And do you understand everything completely?
yes.
If you did not understand something, did you ask her to explain it to you?
I understood everything.
All right. And so you signed the second page.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're pleading guilty to 1 count of operating. We will go on the record in the matter 26 CT 27, State of Wisconsin versus Russell Lindbaum. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Mr. Lindbaum appears in person without counsel. We're set here today in this matter for an initial appearance. Mr. Lindbaum, you look nice today. Thank you for dressing appropriately.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I can't recall. I know one of your last convictions was an OWI, was it correct?
Yes,
And do you recall what it was? 4, 5, 3?
it's been about 6 years.
Okay, but it's been 6 years. 6 years. Are you able to get your driver's license?
Actually, it's been 7.
Oh, that's good.
7.
Time flies.
Yes.
And you're doing good. I haven't seen you in here
Yeah.
for things, so you're doing great.
Unfortunately, I was getting prepared to get my license back, and tomorrow I get it back. I'm eligible to get it back tomorrow,
Excellent.
and I just got to go through the hoops to get it. Minnesota satisfied with the Intoxilock. It's got to be installed through them.
Okay,
and then it's all good over there.
okay. And do you owe them any fines and fees or anything?
Not that they told me, I called them and, I'm pretty sure I took care of that when I got my settlement.
Okay, well, good. Excellent. So you just have to get the Intoxilock on, and then do you need any SR22 insurance or anything?
Yes, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna probably need that. I've asked for a bunch of, well, I've asked for insurance quote and I got millions of them now, so I'll get that too. I got the money for it, so.
So how long do you think it's gonna take you to be able to get all of this stuff in place?
Oh, give me a month at least.
Give you a little more than a month, and then we'll come back and we'll see where you are. Because Mr. Schmidt, what would the offer be if he is able to get his license?
We dismiss the case.
That's awesome.
Be dismissed. So
Cool.
I'm gonna give you some time to be able to get all of those things taken care of. And then let's say that you get your license before this next court date I give you. You will not have to come back. Just make sure you bring your license, a valid license or copy of it to Mr. Schmidt's office, the district attorney's office. And then it can be dismissed with paper, okay?
Cool.
But you do understand that charge and those maximum penalties if you are convicted on that criminal complaint. You understand those?
Yes.
Do you need me to read anything to you?
No.
Okay, so as of right now, I'm just gonna say a not guilty plea, and then again, do what you need to do, get your license, and it'll be dismissed.
All
Are you
right.
still on North Point Lake Road?
Yes.
Telephone ends in 8395.
Yes.
Excellent. Now let me get a date. I'm gonna give you plenty of time to hopefully get all of that taken care of.
Great. Thank you.
No problem. I am so glad to see you like this, Mr. Lindbaum. You look great.
All right, thank you.
October 22nd at 11 o'clock, okay?
Okay.
October 22nd at 11. Hopefully that's enough
Well,
time.
Hopefully
Get it
that
done.
doesn't take me that long.
It shouldn't. I just want
Okay.
to make sure you have enough time to do it.
All right.
Okay? You
All
can
right.
come up and get your notice and your.
Thank you very much.
Keep up whatever you're doing, Mr. Limbaum. Good. I don't, Ms. Bearhart, what is it? How many days have you, or how long have you been sober?
5 years.
Oh my God, I am so proud of you, Mr. Lindbaum. So proud of you. Keep it up. Ms. Bearhart, have you applied for a public defender?
Yes, I did, and I did not qualify.
I did not think you did. Have you had Mr. Chapman in the past?
Yes, I have.
That's, I believe you have. Okay. Good with him?
Yeah.
Okay. I am going to need to have you have to fill out that application again, that you did in the past.
Okay.
And can you do that before you leave today?
Yes.
And I can reappoint Mr. Chapman. I will need $500 down, I think, let me look at your old one, because I can't remember how much I required down before.
I do recall it was 300.
That's right.
Are you able to go any lower, as I got school shopping for my kids and then 2 of their birthdays this month, and just trying to play catch up with everything.
I'll do what I did before 300. I'll just do that 300 instead of the 500. So $300 down, and then it'll be $100 a month.
Okay.
Okay, thereafter. Let me take a look. And I can give you a little bit of time to get that $300 to be able to pay it and to put it down. But you're gonna have to do that before Mr. Chapman is going to be officially appointed.
Okay.
But I'm gonna schedule your next, an adjourned initial appearance date for September 24th at 9:15.
Okay.
Okay, you'll get a notice, September 24th, 9:15. And let's have the $300 paid by September 4th. Okay, that gives you 3 weeks.
Okay,
That work?
Yeah.
Okay, so pay it by September 4th, $300 and $100 a month. And then the $100 a month would start then in October, since you're gonna pay the 300 in September. Okay, and then, once I get that $300, Mr. Chapman will be appointed. You can talk to him about this case and we'll get the matter moving, okay?
okay,
All right,
thank you.
so you can come get your notice. Again, fill out that application before you leave,
Do I get it from up front?
from up front. Yeah.
It's right on the wall. I can't remember what number it is, but it says court appointed attorney. Okay.
Okay. Douglas Murphy? Do you have Douglas Murphy? Matthew Whiteside? We will go on the record in the matter 26 CT 32, State of Wisconsin versus Matthew Whiteside. The state appears through District Attorney Kevin Schmidt in person. Mr. Whiteside appears in person with counsel Joel Feliski making a special appearance on his behalf here today. Mr. Feliski, does he qualify for a public defender?
Thank you, Your Honor. I completed an application with Mr. Whiteside, and at this time, due to his income, he does not currently qualify. He has not received a copy of the complaint in this case. He did advise that his address had changed, I believe, somewhat recently. So at this time, I provided him with a court-appointed attorney application. He's going to fill that out and have that turned in expediently.
Here is the criminal complaint served by the district attorney. He has a copy of that. Would you like to review that and come back and have your first hearing, and then we can push this off a few months for a status and get an attorney appointed?
Yes.
Okay, so Mr. Felicity, can you just go review the criminal complaint with
Certainly.
him, and then we'll recall your case, okay?
Of course.
Okay.
And make sure you get it, you have the application, fill that out, and then bring it to me.
Okay.
Okay? 25 CT 28, 26 CT 34, State of Wisconsin versus Zachary Howard. The state appears through Assistant District Attorney Jose Vila in person. We have Amber Sherwood defends in person with Mr. Howard. We're set today for a status conference on one of his CTs and initial appearances on the other matters. Ms. Sherwood, you are only counsel in the CT matters. Were you aware of the felony case?
I was not, Your Honor.
I will print you, never mind, there's a copy of the criminal complaint that is now being served upon counsel and Mr. Howard. What I can do is I can just give you time to go out and talk about it because it's serious. And he needs to understand the charges and the maximum penalties. And then we will come back and we'll go through and have his initial appearances, okay?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Momentarily adjourned. Ms. Mosey? What are you chewing, Miss Mosey?
Ice.
That hurts your teeth. It could chip your teeth. We'll go on the record in the matter 25 CT 45, State of Wisconsin versus Vanessa Mosey. The state appears through Assistant District Attorney Jose Vila in person. Miss Mosey appears in person, but you missed the last court date, I think.
No.
You did
I'm
not, or
sorry.
it was the one before that.
Yeah.
Okay,
April.
and so you needed to take your permit test and that's all you needed to do, I think?
So I did that. I got my test. I just need to
Passed
get,
it?
yep, I
Good
just need
job.
to get the dollar amount for the driver's license and then the vehicle that,
For ignition interlock?
mhm.
So how?
No,
long-
not ignition,
Oh, you
interlock,
don't
but
need that?
you know, that qualifies, you can't have like dash lights on and everything has to work.
Oh, to drive.
Yeah,
Yes.
for
to
the
do-
test.
So when do you think you realistically can do that?
So we were just actually talking about that on the way up. We're trying, one of the other workers is gonna see if I could use one of the work vehicles for the truck.
Tribal vehicle?
Yeah.
That would be
So-
very nice.
Mm-hmm.
And so you'd be able to use that. And then, I don't think it's a lot of money to get your license, but
Mhm.
I don't remember the amount, if it's $70.
Yeah, see, I'm not sure about the amount either.
So how long do you think it's gonna take you to be able to have that money to?
I give it a month.
Okay. I can schedule you for September 28th at 1:15. Okay?
Okay.
September 28th, 1:15. That means that you should definitely have all of that stuff done
Mhm.
by then. If you do have it done by then, we will not need to come back because the state will dismiss it as long as you give them proof of your
Yep.
driver's license.
Mhm.
So once you get your driver's license, just walk it down or mail or fax it or whatever they accept,
Mhm.
and give them a copy of your driver's license, and then you will not need to come back, okay?
Okay, yep.
All right, so you can come up here and get your notice and you're free to go, and any money that you've paid would be reimbursed to
Okay.
you, okay? Mr. Stanhope? Stacy, Daniel Bruce is off. He's been moved to another day down the road.
Okay.
Mr. Stanhope, I do not have. Who are you? You individuals? It's good to see you, Dr. Otto. Who are you?
Trevor Duran,
Who?
Trevor Duran.
Okay, you're 9:30, and who are you?
David Johnson.
That's right. Okay, so you guys are early. Would we be in victims' rights compliance to be able to go early or no? Well, it's 2 minutes, but
2 minutes,
it should be fine.
Yeah.
Your hair's cute. Okay, let's go with Mr. Durand. We will go on the record in the matter 26 CM 62, State of Wisconsin versus Trevor Durand. The state appears through Assistant District Attorney Jose Vila in person. Mr. Durand appears in person without counsel. We're set for a status conference. I believe at the last hearing, you were not able to issue or to tell him an offer, but was he able to go down and talk to your office?
An offer was made, Your Honor, according to my notes, back on May 27th, it was for him to get the AODA and anger management, and we would do this as an ordinance.
Were you able to do that?
Monday was my last day.
What?
Yeah, Monday was my last day. And
Okay,
Dave said it takes a little while to get the proof through here.
okay, so we're waiting for, Mr. Hatch,
Huh?
Dave Hatch.
Yeah.
Okay, and so, yeah, I don't yet have confirmation. Usually he sends it. And if it was Monday, he could be a little behind. So what we could do is reset this, and at that time, quite honestly, if you know that there's proof, you do not need to appear, because what would happen is the state would go, Judge, I'd like to amend this to an ordinance, and I can say, I find you in default, you're not here, so I'm just gonna assess the money, and then you have bail paid, and that can go, and that can pay for that, and then you wouldn't necessarily need to come back.
And I'll call, make sure.
Yes, you can call to
Okay.
make sure, but if you just wanna come, that's totally cool too. Okay, so I can give you a few, well, a few weeks or something, just to make sure that all can happen. August 24th at 1, or excuse me, August 24th at 11:15. Wait, that's a Schmidt week. August 31st. at 1:45. Okay, August 31st at 1:45. That should be plenty of time for Mr. Hatch to send his proof. And for you, you can call the clerk's office or the DA's office to see if the proof has been provided. And then it's your choice again, of whether or not you want to come into court or you don't, because you cannot get a warrant for failing to come to an ordinance, okay? Okay, so you can come get your notice and you're free to go. Mr. Johnson? Down and slide back. We will go on the record in the matter 26 CM 36, State of Wisconsin versus Jaden Johnson. The state appears through Assistant District Attorney Jose Vila in person. Mr. Johnson appears in person without counsel. We're set today in this matter for a status conference. We are in victims' rights compliance
Yes, Your Honor.
and offer has been presented.
Yes, Your Honor, the offer for this one was presented back on April 22nd, according to my notes. And that one was to do the anger management class with Mr. Dave Hatch, and we would do a DC for cost only.
Have you done that program yet?
No, Your Honor.
Or are you accepting the offer?
Yes, I'll accept it.
Okay, and so do you understand that it takes, I think, 4 weeks or something to do? When are you going to be able to set that up with Mr. Hatch?
I know previously, I did feel bad for not getting it done by now. I could probably do it from here on out for sure. I do have his number right now.
All right, what I'm gonna do is I am gonna set this on the Schmidt week because I'm not gonna go way too far out. It's just gonna be a status for me to be able to check that he's actually doing it and we're moving forward. August 24th at 11:15. August 24th at 11:15, you're gonna come back to court and you're gonna say, yeah, Judge, I'm doing it. I'm almost done. I have this and I need this much more time, okay? And if you are accepting the offer, then that would mean that it looks like you have money posted. You should be good. So the same thing that I said to the last gentleman, if you're done by then and there's proof, then you wouldn't need to come. But I don't think that it's possible that you can be done by then. I'm setting it so close, so quickly, just to make sure that you're enrolled and you're doing that. Okay?
Okay.
So come up here and get your notice and you are free to leave.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Mr. Howard.
Did you?
We will go back on the record, same appearances as previously noted, 26 CM, excuse me, sorry, 25 CT 28, 26 CF 94, 26 CT 34, State of Wisconsin versus Zachary Howard. The state, same appearances. Ms. Sherwood, you were able to go over the new charges in the felony complaint as well as you went over the CT charges with Mr. Howard?
Yes, Your Honor, I've gone over the criminal complaint for all 3 charges. We waived the formal readings. For both CT matters, we would plead not guilty. We plead not guilty for the misdemeanor matters in 26 CF 94. We ask for preliminary hearing and waive time limits.
Thank you so much. I can set a preliminary hearing on August. Wrong week.
This is
Mr.
technically,
Schmidt week.
yeah. The Mr. Schmidt case, Your Honor.
It's hard when I'm visiting judges using my courtroom and time blocked off and I can't use it. Nice when we have two, maybe. Courtrooms. I can do 2 o'clock on August 13.
Mhm.
That works for the defense?
All right, 2 o'clock, August 13. Not guilty pleas to all of the misdemeanors still on Ojibwe Drive.
Yep.
Telephone ends in 8479.
No.
What's your telephone number?
715-416-3219.
We have that in one of our files, so thank you. Can we remove the other number?
Yes, and my minute's actually about to go out, so I'll update the court with a different number as soon as this goes out.
Why can't you keep the same number?
In the middle of jobs right now. I've been more of a stay-at-home father, so I'm about to pick up a part-time job.
I know, I don't understand.
Continue
though.
my schooling.
If you get more minutes for a phone, why do you have to get a new telephone number? Can't you just upload more minutes or pay for more minutes?
That's exactly what I'm trying to do, and if I can't, I'll have to update the court with a different number. It's through a app on my phone that would be for free for me until I get the funds to get my number back working.
Okay, I don't understand that, but okay. 'Cause usually before when you had the track phones and then you buy little cards to get more minutes and you add the minutes to your little track phone, then you can keep the same number. It just adds the minutes to the phone.
I'm on a Verizon plan, and I'm a little bit behind, so it's getting close for it to cut off before I pay for it.
Okay, all right.
Just to update the court, we do hope to have someone assigned to this criminal or this felony matter. Our office is waiting for date of birth for one of the victims so that we can finish our conflict check.
Okay, and so you're not quite
The
certain
13th
that
at
you
2
would
o'clock.
be able to take that felony case?
As soon as we get the date of birth for one of the victims, we can conflict it. If it's not a conflict for my office, it will be my case.
Okay, sounds great. Thank you so much. We'll see you then.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're adjourned.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Mr. Stanhope, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
You too. We will go on the record in the